Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some interesting news to share with you all in today's video. In this episode, we are going to talk about the former character of our favorite TV series Heartland, and that's none other than Ty Borden. Will Ty Borden return to Heartland? If there's the possibility of Ty Borden's return, could it be a nightmare or a recast? However, it would be good news for all of us if he returns. Do watch this video till the end to know everything. All of us want to see Ty Borden returning to the Heartland, and there is the possibility that some events could happen so that Ty's return could become a reality. But what could be these situations? And what can be the way to bring him back into the 15th season of Heartland? There could be the nightmare idea or a recasting idea which could be realistic and logical for Ty Borden's return. Could the return of Ty be made possible if his death was just a nightmare? Yes, we think it might be. The nightmare scenario could be so much sensible for Ty Borden's return, especially since Amy had always had horse nightmares. This can be made believable. Heartland needs its lead character in order to sustain, and there's the fact that all the viewers who love Heartland want Ty Borden back on the show. The situation itself expresses how much we need him. The idea of Amy having a nightmare can be one of the best ways to bring him back on the show. Amy dreams of him dying. She might be thinking about what her life would be after the death of Ty. And it could be possible that we are shown these thoughts during the 14th season of Heartland. And finally, at the beginning of the 15th season, we may see Amy sleeping next to Ty and suddenly waking up and sweating blood. If this turns out to be true, then it could be a great beginning of the new season. What do you all think about this? We could be awake from a nightmare, because without Ty Borden, Heartland is nothing but just a nightmare. We hope that the showmakers will hear our thoughts. The idea of nightmare is an idea that we can see in a lot of series which helps to bring someone who died back in the series. We think that Heartland should also take this step. Similarly, what do you think about the idea of possible recasting? If the idea of a nightmare doesn't happen and Graham Waddle doesn't return, what may happen in Heartland? Could recasting be the only thing to do? Could there be a possibility of a new man entering into Amy Fleming's life instead of Ty Borden? Are all the Heartland fans ready for this? We don't know it yet, but Amy must move on. If Graham Waddle's decision to leave from the series is an exact and irreversible decision for him, we have to accept the fact that he won't return. We can't push him too hard to come back to the show. Amy is a young woman, and she might want to spend the rest of her life with someone else in the next seasons of Heartland. It may not happen in the 15th season, but we are very likely to see that in future seasons. Because after the death of Ty in the 14th season, we saw that she had just begun to come through his death, and this healing process can take some time. This can also be a healing process for those people who have lost their partner or love of their life. We can see that Amy can survive without Ty and raise her child as a strong woman because she is a strong mother. Similarly, we don't know if the actor who may replace Ty Borden will compensate him, but it could be a good option for the continuation of the series and Amy's life. Life goes on without Ty Borden for Amy. As Heartland lovers, we care a lot about the series and we want Graham Waddle to return, but we cannot force him to do that. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you are looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.